Hi friends, I am Tirak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the send currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a send currency symbol in your WPS Office spreadsheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a document here. Okay, now I just need to insert the send currency symbol. If you click on this menu, you just go to the insert symbol option. There is no insert symbol option present on the WPS mobile, so you just need to use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. You can use your own keyboard. So now just click on this number section. You will have a different types here. You just want to long press here, you can find the send currency symbol. You just want to long press it, drop it, long press it, drop it. If you long press it, there will be a pop-up here. You can just drop your send currency symbol from this. So this is an hidden symbol. You can just use a send currency symbol from here. You can see a lot of different type of symbols are here, so you can use any symbols here. So this is how you just insert the send currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.